Hello, this video here is to assist you with editing pages on your platform, on your website. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to log in as an admin. Once you log in as an admin, you'll see this blue bar populate at the top. You see Edit Theme Studio, and of course the admin bar, which will take you to the admin area. Now, if you want to edit a given page, you can always click on Edit, and then you'll see that this area comes here where you can edit, you can make changes, you can delete, and so forth by either deleting a container or deleting a widget within the container, or even changing the images by clicking on the pencil and bringing in something new. Some of the most often requested pages to edit are going to be down in the footer. The contact us, about us, terms and conditions, and privacy policy. So if you want to change the about us, you would simply click onto the about page. It's going to take you to the about us page. Again, what you'll do at this point is you will go ahead and click on edit here in the upper left. This will pop out the panel here, and now that we're hovering over this area, you can see that we can actually see these areas where we can go in and edit. So, you can click into here, make changes as needed. This here is a simple create content widget. So you can come in here and adjust the page, drop in your own information, set it the way that you like it. You can always use, the different areas here where we can say we're going to go bold and we're going to go test, test, and so forth. You can play with the alignments, just like any Word documents. Once you've changed it the way that you like it, for each page, you will have to click on Publish in the green button here in the upper right for it to take effect. Please note that you do need to publish each page as you go. You cannot go and work on the Contact Us page and then publish again, expecting both the About Us page and Contact. You have to publish at each interval. I hope this has helped. Thank you for listening to this video.